Today we will be creating a circle weaving. I am using an old CD that is no longer usable. Please check with your parents before taking a CD that does not belong to you. Here is an example of what our finished product is going to look like. First, we are going to create the warp threads. These are the threads that go up and down on a loom. I am measuring out my thread to 48 inches or 4 ruler lengths. You will need to decide which side will be the front and which side will be the back. I am using the shiny side for the front and the side with words for the back. I am taping one end of my string to the back of the CD to get started. This will make sure that our warp threads stay in place as we continue to wrap our CD. I am going around half of the CD, and as I pass the center hole, I push it up with my finger. I am going to continue doing this until I reach an odd number, and I recommend either 9 or 11 for this project. When it's time to count my threads, I start with my finger at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need 11, so I wrap it around one more time. I now secure the end of the string to the back with a piece of tape. Make sure to separate your strings so that your next thread will be able to travel in and out with ease. Now I will cut the weft threads. These are the threads that usually go left to right in a weaving. I'm measuring this out to 36 inches or 3 ruler lengths long. I'm putting the one end of the yarn through the center hole and securing it with tape to the back of the CD. I'm now going to attach the other end of the string to a weaving needle. This one is 6 inches long and can be purchased at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I fold my thread over the side of the needle hole, pinch it to keep it together and slide it off and place it through the hole. I'm going to tie a temporary knot just like you would when you're tying your shoe. This will help to keep the string in place as you start your weaving. I'm going to be using a pattern. My pattern is over, under, over, under. Because there's an odd number, we will be able to continue the pattern all the way around the CD without having to change that pattern. So right now we're under, pull your string all the way through, over, that one's under the white, over the white. Now we're going under the white. over, under, over, and under. This will start to create a spiral around the center of your CD. When I have just a small amount of thread left, I'm going to take it off of my needle and I'm going to select my next yarn. I'm going to tie this in a knot. The pink is going to go over the maroon, around, behind. Now the maroon is going to go over the pink thread, around, and pull it through. Make sure to make this a secure knot. I now attach the other end of my string to my weaving needle, tie a temporary knot, and continue weaving. I typically like to fill the CD all the way to the edge. I can then spread out my strings so that it looks a little bit nicer. I now take my thread off of my needle. I'm going to either tuck it in to the rest of the weaving, or I can tape it to the back of the CD as well. I can now take my knots from earlier and tuck them into the weaving. This will give it a more finished look.